Welcome to Kickstand Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Broadway J, the host of Kickstand Beats, the channel. Now, if you're brand new, please hit subscribe and like. Why? Because we give back on the first of the month to everybody out there. You guys got a chance of winning a giveaway. Now, before we dive deep into this, I got a quick question for y'all. Want to get high? If not, it's all good. We're going to dive deep into the shoe anyways. But first, don't forget to bring a towel. Alright, y'all. So, this is such a great moment because this is from my time, guys. This is from my era. This comes from a real cool cartoon show which is known as South Park. To the young generation out there, you guys may not know of South Park, and if you do, you probably don't tune into it. Most of the new gen does not tune into South Park, really. It's more like people around my age. I was born 1990, so yeah. For those who don't know, I'm pretty old. I'm getting there. But yeah, we gotta dive deep into this shoe. This is the Adidas Campus 80s, the South Park Towelie edition. This is what I've been waiting for, and it dropped on 4/20. Such a beautiful day. I missed out on it, so I had to cop via StockX. Shout out to StockX for this, and shout out to DHL, because you guys are superb with the shipping. This came pretty quick. I'm not going to lie, it came quick. Why did it take 10 days to get here after 4/20? Because the original seller decided not to send, so StockX had to get a replacement for me. But it's all good. We got it here now. We got it here, baby. It's time to take a look at this. I was told it comes with some things like extras, so let's see if that's true. I just want to take a look at this shoe, man, because I'm hyped about this. I'm hyped about this shoe. South Park is a real funny show, guys. Like, you guys really got to tune in. Take a look at the show sometime if you haven't. There's a lot of cursing involved with the show, just to let you guys know ahead of time as well. But anyways, take a look at the box here. South Park Adidas. It is finally here. Check it out. Our 4 favorite people. Glossy on the characters here. Oh, there he is. What up, Towelie? Don't forget to bring a towel. Alright. Check it out, size 11. I don't know whether I was supposed to go true to size with this or not, so what I ended up doing is I went half a size up from my true to size. Color chalk purple. Alright. Alright, let me try to rip the details off this real quick. Well, here you go, guys. This is the proof right here from StockX. Decided to take out the price because, you know, that was painful. That was painful to watch. So I'm gonna leave that out the picture. But yeah, let's get into the shoe real quick, man. Woo. Real excited. Check out the paper, y'all. This is the paper. Oh man. Yes, this is it, boy. This is it right here. Look at Towelie. This is a nice shade of purple, man. Does it go with my shirt? It's not exact, but it's there. This is incredible. How about these socks? Does it go with the socks? Yeah, it's almost there, not quite. But anyways, this is pretty cool, guys. What do you guys think? Cop a drop. I'm not gonna lie, the silhouette, the Adidas 80s Campus, I got tired of the silhouette after, you know, using it for about a decade and a half here and there. Was never too crazy into them, but I did own the white on black pair in the past, and I believe I owned the all black with the white stripes. And this would be the 3rd pair now, the 3rd colorway for me, after so many years of not wearing this. But yeah, and it looks like the eyes, they're UV activated, so they will change with time. Obviously, when I walk outside, he's supposed to look extremely high, because, you know, Towelie was the type of towel that likes to, you know, kick back and roll up a sack here and there, you know. Very addicted to marijuana. I'm not going to argue with him. Anyways, let's take a look at the details inside, the insole. And yes, I know, guys, he wasn't just stuck on marijuana. He was stuck on other things too, but I don't support those other things, so we're not going to be talking about that. I'm going to give you an on fee for this, and that's towards the end of the video because I see something else going on here. What's this? One of Towelie's quotes. I have no idea what's going on. Oh, drop the other pair. What does this one say? Don't forget to bring a towel. Oh. And a pocket store weeding. That's pretty cool. Well, a pocket store, whatever you would like to store inside of your shoe, guys. That's what it's for. Yeah, it's not for anything specific. What do we got here? Got a keychain of Towelie. Once again, his message, don't forget to bring a towel. Don't forget. forget, guys. Don't forget. So that was on the left pair. Do we have another one within the right pair? No, we do not. That's okay. I only need one keychain. A quick update, guys. It turns out this was not the only keychain it came with. It actually did come with another one. I found this one in the box after this recording. I don't remember. I really can't recall if this was in the shoe and I took it out and it just fell into the box, or if this just came in the box. I really don't remember. But yeah, this is a pretty cool one right here. So you got this one where he looks super blazed, and you got this one where he's just not at all. And this right here I'm keeping, guys, so that's definitely going to be my new keychain holder. I'm not going to lie. It definitely is. I like it. Here's the bottom, guys. You know, same design as your typical 80s campus shoe. But anyways, it's time to give you guys that on feet look. I'm designed to wear these already. Let's get to it.
Soy un tipo culto como ni sin bulto. Si tú eres alto, yo eres alto. En el asalto yo eres culto. No hay guare que me asare ni se compare. Con las rimas malabares le dan malestares cuando viajo a diferentes lugares.
Designs locked in my closet, I'm opposite of dirty. Final rockin' sneaker releases a season early, I'll remember. I had the high like low since September, comprehender. Fella like myself a trendsetter, Mars yellow with the coochie sweater. A groupie fella, who does it better? I run tracks and acapellas. I run tracks and whack rappers in this era, cause I'm better. Get fed up, get wet up if you think you gon' play me in a setup.
And in case you guys were wondering, it's not the most comfortable pair on this planet. They're not like Yeezys, but they are really comfortable though. They're still comfortable either way. I like how they feel. And you guys can go true to size. You guys don't have to go half a size up like I did. I kind of regret doing so. I could have went half a size down, but it's not too big on me, but I know I could have gotten away with true to size. Just to let you guys know. So that's it for the video, ladies and gentlemen. We are done for the day. I hope you guys enjoy that look. I know I enjoyed the shoe. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and I hope you guys end up getting yourself a pair, because this shoe is incredibly amazing looking in person, and it's just so cool, man. It has that towel material on the shoe, like you're not really gonna find that anywhere else. So yeah, stay tuned, because we have another early look coming up. I'm not gonna give away what it is, but something that's supposed to drop in August, I believe, we're gonna have here within the next week or two. It's just shipping is taking extremely long, but the Yeezy factory out there in Vietnam, you know, they're on it. They're on it. It's just the shipping people, the courier. Just waiting on the courier now. Now we're just waiting on them. But anyways, it's your boy Broadway J, host here at Kicks and Beats. Thank you for tuning in. Take care, y'all.